Adina. My name is Jerrie.
Hi everyone, we have a special guest today, Adina, Jerry's friend, and they are having
And today we're doing craft. It's for animal. I do a brother lion, and I'm making sister lion.
Wow, you guys are going to make a craft today?
Yeah.
That's nice, that looks fun. So you're going to make a lion
Yeah.
and a lioness. Wow, okay.
And I'm making lion sister, and she's making lion brother.
That's nice, fantastic.
I am 5.
And
I'm
Adina,
6.
you're 6 years old and you are 5 years old. Nice, good combination. Okay, so what are the things that we need to do the lion?
We need this to make the curly hair. We need chalk and even the nose and the mouth thing. We draw. Yeah, and even the eyes. We draw. And then with the yellow, we need him full body. Yeah.
Okay. So we are going to have 2 papers, color papers, and then we have a toilet roll.
But we need all the same color.
Okay, and then what else do you have? A scissor?
Tall and loaded.
Yes.
Not scissor.
Okay, a scissor. And I have 2 small things as well to make rounds. Yeah, we will use this, okay, to make rounds.
This is gray toy. But we don't have brown, so we just use orange.
Yes, that is also a pretty nice combination, yeah? Okay, so let's start. Okay.
Now we got the glue. Now we got and need yellow paper.
Okay.
Then we glue. With this, we have to roll it like perfectly, and then we have to glue it inside.
Okay, so do that.
Okay. First we have to glue it.
Keep it here. Okay. Keep the roll here perfectly.
Not get much. Not get much. I'm making like this. This is mine.
So,
So now we did this. We just glue it inside and then we put the roll paper.
very good. So what is the next step?
So next step is just cutting here, and then we'll
Cut at the bottom as well.
Yeah.
That's
Then we
cool.
cut one hand.
Yeah.
For the
That is the next step. Okay, go ahead. Take the scissors and yeah.
Yeah, but it's hard.
It's hard.
I did it. I also did it.
Very nice. Good job. It looks so perfect. Good.
I did not going to cut this.
Yes. So the second step is doing a circle and you want to repeat it? Okay. Do this side. Yeah. Yeah, do this side again. Voila. Okay, perfect. Good one. Yeah. This is good. You want to try it with a sketch? Take the sketch of Adina and do it.
So that's why I say
Yeah, good.
you also cut the hedge.
Okay, good. Voila. Nice. It's nice. Good. Okay, so now we have to cut this off.
Why is that working? That's why I told you. What's the cap?
So both of you are going to cut this out,
You're
okay?
also going to cut the inside.
Yeah. So go ahead, start.
So we cut
Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so the next step.
So the next step, we have to just
Stick it.
And with this, we can just stick it here.
Okay, come, let's start.
No.
Okay, we have to stick this alone
You need that.
around this.
I know. I want lion.
Done? Voila, very, very nice. You're still not satisfied? What happened? You're done, Jerry?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You're done too?
Yep. That's
Cool.
That's too
So the final step is drawing a small house-shaped one. Yeah. Also at the back. And we have to cut it out.
so hard. Now we did a lion, and then now hello brother, hello sister, hello.
That's so cool. Can you guys show me the lion and the lioness? Wow, this looks really, really nice. Pretty lion and lioness. Good. Very nice.
Name lion.
Uh-huh.
How do you call it?
Ryan lion?
Yeah, lion. Wait,
Okay.
Can we create a name lion?
Yes. What do you want to name it?
Girl.
Lion girl it is? Okay.
I want lion girl.
Okay, cool.
I lion girl.
Ryan boy. Okay, nice. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.